Hi everyone. Today's video is adding text to a video in Photoshop. So we're going to start here. I've opened the video, and the first thing you want to do is go to your windows. If your timeline is not already open, you want to go up to your toolbar at the top, click Window, and go down to Timeline. That's going to open up your timeline here at the bottom here. The next thing you're going to do is click on this video strip, film strip icon, and select New Video Group. And that's going to start a whole new group for you to do your edits in that layers on top of the clips that are already open. So we're going to select text on your toolbar here, and you want to go up to the top and make sure that your text settings are where you would like them to be. If you don't like the text, now would be the time to change that. Your font here. Just adjust your settings. The color, you can make this any color you'd like. And then you're going to click on the photo in here, and that's going to start your text layer. So we're doing this based on instructions that were provided, and the instructions state to type in the text embrace. Now you see it here. I'm going to adjust my text color again. It didn't seem to take effect. So let's adjust that. I'm just going to put it in something neutral here. There we go. And our text is, embrace the earth, feed your soul, have the time of your life. You have your text resized and it all fits within your screen here. You want to adjust where it is. So we've been instructed to move the text to the part of the clip where the guy is starting to raise his hands. So we're going to find that by scrolling through. And here's the guy that we're looking for, and we're going to search right where he starts to lift his hands up. And we're going to take this text that we've inserted, and we're just going to move it down here. There we go. Right there. We want to shorten this part of the text at the end here so that it ends at the same place that the actual video ends, so that the text will run the course of the rest of the video and then stop. So we want to pull this in, and we're going to align it here with the end of the video. Now let's test that and play. And you can see that the text stays to the end. I've made some text adjustments here because I want my text to really stand out. And I'm going to add even more effects to the text so that they really pop in the video. Now I'm going to go to Effects, and I'm going to add just some different style to the words. So I'm going to add some contour. I'm going to add a stroke here that's going to change. You notice the shading of the words changed, and then I'm going to do a couple little changes here just to make it really stand out. Next, we've been instructed to add a transform keyframe for the text in the middle of the text clip. So I've moved my cursor here to the middle of the text. I'm going to drop down the video group 4 and click transform. I'm instructed to add a transform keyframe for the text at the beginning of the text clip, and then scale the text very small. So we're going to move our cursor to the beginning of our text here, and we're going to click on this diamond right here. Now we're going to select Control T, and we're going to scale our text down very, very small. Lastly, we would like our text to fade to black at the end of the frame. So we're going to click here and select Fade with Black, and we're going to bring that down to the very end, and I want to scale that down for the duration to be at the very end, and then we can click play to preview. Now here I'll change my text so that it's a little more visible, and I'll save and be complete.